1997 Pontiac Formula Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, just 30,638 on this at the moment. 5.7 liter LT1 underneath the hood, that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 4L60E to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note AC was op, so that will need a little care. Take a look at the nose of this car. There is a little discoloration in the silver compared to the hood. It's not too bad. FYI too, this blue, that is vinyl. If you don't like that on there, that would peel right off, not a problem. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Any questions, call 507-386-1726. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Riding on the chrome wheels, Kumo radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. There's a few little imperfections. I notice there's a spot where it's touched up in the paint right there. A little bit of discoloration there. I'll kind of point them out as I go. Otherwise, paint has a nice shine to it. And it's pretty much just small stuff. Like I said, just a little small touch up. Dark gray interior, leather buckets, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let you take a peek underneath the hood. Look at that interior a little bit closer. Take a look at the rear of the car. Dual exhaust, of course. Brakes are 95% in the front, 90% in the rear, all good to go there. There is a 6 CD changer in the trunk. The radio's in working order, as well as the steering wheel controls for it. Tech did note the security light was on when the car was running and key in. Didn't seem to affect it. May have something to do with key fob or key fob battery, but as far as car's performance, the way it drives out, not a problem. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Firebirds, Trans Ams, formulas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. You can see paint has a nice shine on this driver's side also. Just a few little minor touch-up spots. It's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, enjoy it, have some fun. Little V8 power. All right, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Door panel looks good. Bucket seats. Very comfortable seats in these cars, and you can see decent shape, a little bit of wear in that bolster, but nothing out of the ordinary. And once again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Let's look at those exact miles. Tilt column cruise control. All right, there's the exact miles. 30,638. Security light I mentioned. Otherwise, gauge is working. Jack working. Dash looks good. AM FM cassette player with equalizer. Headliner looks good. Let's see, one other note on the lights. A little bit of a click when it goes down, not on the way up. But they're in working order, but there is a sound on the downside of things. Slip to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds as it should. Sounds like stock LT1, no doubt about that. Alright, let me see if I can get this hood open one-handed here a second. luck out and catch the latch. There it is. All right, nice, clean, tidy engine bay. First of all, underside of the hood liner. Nice and clean. Doesn't appear this thing's been driven in inclement weather. Once again, 5.7 liter LP1 power. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And of course, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1997 Pontiac Formula Coupe. Just a little over 30,000 miles. Clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1997 Pontiac Firebird in silver. A very clean car, very low mileage looking car, and it shows under 31,000 miles currently. So that explains it. It's an automatic right here on the center console. We got a little bit of traffic we're waiting for. Our turn signal indicators are both working. It looks like everything's gonna be working in this car. The factory stereo. Now it has the typical volume knob situation where you turn it slowly if you want it to go up or down. But it works. I have not tested cassette. Very nice acceleration in this car. You kind of forget how peppy these cars were. Power plant to weight ratio is very good in these cars. Cruise control is functioning. Our oil pressure is showing 55 psi. The temperature coming up on 180 degrees. Excuse me. The battery is charging at 14 volts and the fuel gauge is almost full. We have steering wheel controls for the stereo. The blower motor does work on this car. Beautiful condition. Bucket seats. There is a crack in the dash right there. I don't see a lot of other flaws. It's a well-maintained low-mile machine. Nice smooth braking. A lovely rumble coming out the tailpipe of this car. Corners well. Stays pretty flat in the corners. Firebird was a performance car after all. Sadly I say was, because it doesn't exist anymore. Here's your chance to buy a piece of history. 1997 Pontiac Firebird at UniqueClassicCars.com.